Children, good morning, all of you. And today we'll start a very important and interesting topic. Okay, but before that, we will learn some techniques so that you can understand exactly what is that topic. Okay, so see, all participants are there. Still, somebody are missing. Okay, let us start because it's already 9 o'clock. Okay. So, children, see, one thing I want to ask you a question. Answer me in a very normally and with 100% honesty. Okay, then you can understand this topic. Generally, tell me if there is a person. Okay, what he wants. Will he want to increase its tension or he want to reduce his tension? Everybody has some tension in their life. Tension, a small type of tension. Tell me, whenever he visit to a doctor, okay, or any this thing, what he will ask? Have you seen any person asking doctor, sir, give me some medicine so that I can increase my tension?
No, sir, to decrease
Reduce,
tension.
sir.
Huh?
Reduce tension.
It will reduce.
Reduce tension.
So you all are with this concept, no? Everybody, everyone, okay,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, wants to increase or reduce.
Reduce.
Sure, no? Reduce what?
Tension.
Reduce tension.
Yeah, reduce tension in their life. Okay, this is one concept. So everybody, okay, from today onwards, everybody has to set this phenomena, this concept in their mind, that everybody wants to, this is the symbol of reduce, okay, reduce tension, reduction of tension. Everybody want to reduce tension, okay. So this fact must be clear to you. Those who are those who are with this sentence, those who are with this opinion, okay, hello, those who are with this opinion that everybody wants to reduce their tension, please tell me yes. Those who are with this concept,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
anybody
Yes, sir.
who is
Yes,
against this,
sir.
who is against this concept? Nobody is against this concept. Okay, right.
No, sir.
Okay, so generally people want to reduce their tension.
Yes, sir.
Second concept. Tell me, now there is a lockdown, okay. Lockdown means a kind of what you say, a kind of yeah, means restriction. Wow, very
Kind of
nice.
isolation.
Yeah,
Navala, Naveen.
restriction. So
Isolation
now
in
tell
home
me,
also.
people want, what is the desire of the people? They want restriction or freedom?
Freedom.
Yeah,
Freedom.
very nice. Everybody want to increase their freedom. Everybody want to increase their freedom. Freedom fighters. Okay, we got freedom on 15th August. Just will you maintain silence? Then it will be okay. Otherwise, I have to mute. That is the final. See, Please, everybody take that responsibility not to create sound in the background. Then I can talk freely with you. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
what is this you are explaining?
I am not explaining anything. I am just discussing just some concept with you, sharing my views.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So every time, don't think that we will discuss some very this thing. We can talk some normal thing also.
Okay, sir.
So I don't want to put any tension by writing the heading of the topic. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
before writing the heading of the topic, I am discussing some important things with you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. That's why generally my tendency is to decrease the tension. Decrease.
Thank you, sir.
Because yes, I want everybody to be tension free, and especially from chemistry. From chemistry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, because chemistry is a very beautiful subject, and if you learn properly, really it is a tension free. When you read chemistry, you will get more relaxation instead of tension. But if you don't go in a proper way, then it is full of tension. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
writing the topic, this thing, that thing. That's why I am telling you. Just I wanted to discuss about two things. One was tension and one was freedom. I just wanted a public opinion that what exactly people want. Do they want to increase the tension or decrease the tension?
Decrease the tension.
Yes, decrease. So remember, every time I will ask this question for several times. So everybody want to decrease the tension.
Yes.
And everybody want to increase the
Freedom.
yeah. Nobody wants restriction. Nobody want more restriction. Everybody want freedom. Okay, up to some extent. Okay, up to some extent, everybody wants some freedom. So this everybody, not human being, even animals also. If you keep a bird in a cage, okay, and if that bird get an opportunity to get out from the cage, will that bird will feel happy or unhappy?
Happy, sir.
Happy.
Yeah, once you open the door of the cage,
Oh, no.
yeah. So everybody wants freedom, children. Everybody.
Happy.
Yeah.
Happy.
So now, okay, please give me the answer. You know, my teaching program is first I will use normal language, children, and then I will convert this normal language into
Scientific language.
yeah, scientific language, that is known as standard format. So meaning is same, but if we get the concept with the normal language and then we convert into the scientific language, then you will enjoy the topic, enjoy the subject. That is my view. Did you understand, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So now tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
and why I am repeating so many times means I want to set that concept in your brain.
Okay.
So, and that more I ask, you have to answer for same time. Don't think that I am asking the question again and again. I want to make sure that, okay, this concept is 100% established in the brains of my student. So now tell me, everybody want to dash tension.
Reduce.
Good. Everybody has to answer. Open your mouth and use the word. Then it will be very nice. Yeah. And in a proper,
Reduce the tension.
time. In a proper timing. Timing also. If you are in giving in proper timing, that is showing how alert you are. So once again, everybody want to dash tension.
Reduce the tension.
Reduce is enough
Reduce
because I
tension.
have
Reduce tension.
reduce.
Reduce.
Tension I have used the word, only dash you have to fill up. Once again, everybody want to dash tension.
Reduce.
Reduce. Everybody want to dash freedom.
Freedom.
Increase.
Increase. Okay. Everybody want to increase freedom.
Increase.
Okay. So I think this concept is clear. Okay.
Okay.
So this was normal language. Can I transfer this concept into scientific language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, children. So see, listen carefully what I am telling. Okay. See, one sentence I am trying to write, and that is yes. Yes. Is the screen is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See what I am writing. Try to understand, okay? And if you have any doubt, you can ask me so many times. Okay, I don't care. Okay? I am writing tension is directly proportional to energy. Please make a note of it.
Which chapter?
Tension is directly proportional to energy.
How?
How means just you lift like anything. Okay, suppose you just lift a mobile here from the ground floor to top floor. Is it energy is increased or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the energy known as potential energy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And see, once you leave it, it will come down immediately. It will come
But then
down.
potential change to kinetic.
That is
Kinetic
there.
energy.
But it will come down to the ground floor, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And once
Yes,
it
sir.
comes to the ground floor, its
The
potential
phone will break, sir.
every energy after conversion and all, when it come to ground floor, its energy will be low.
Sir.
Yes.
The tension is released.
Yeah, tension is released. That only I want to tell.
Then
If you
what
stretch,
about our loss?
hello,
Sir,
hello.
this is which chapter?
Actually, we are in classification of elements and periodicity in properties.
Sir, that's chapter.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So we are in that chapter only. So before entering to a new, one topic is there. So till now I have not mentioned the name of the topic, but before that I am discussing something, and I am telling you that tension is directly proportional to energy. If a particle, see, again I told you, I have told this several times that we are discussing the properties related to the particles of matter. particles. Every time we will discuss about particles only because that is the concern of chemistry. So what I mean to okay, children. So did you understand that tension is directly proportional to energy?
Sir,
Sir.
please repeat one more time.
Yes.
Sir, something black is coming there below tension. Something black stripe, something.
Okay, don't worry. Sometime it will come. I will remove it. It will be.
Sir, please repeat it one more time.
Yeah, I will repeat one more time. That will be that black spot will be removed automatically. So
Okay, sir.
The person who is telling that one more time means you have just entered, beta. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You have just entered in the classroom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so please be in time so that we can save time. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. So, children, from today onwards, okay, we will think two things. We will consider two facts in our mind that regarding tension and regarding freedom. Regarding freedom. Okay. Everybody want to decrease the tension and everybody want to increase the freedom. Okay. So nobody want to be in lockdown. Everybody want freedom. And everybody want to be tension free. And I am telling you in a very scientific way that tension is directly proportional to energy. The particle which is, see, there are two particles, suppose particle A and particle B. Okay. Suppose this particle is having 100 joule. Okay. And this particle is having 50 joule. Tell me which particle is in more tension?
A.
A. Yes, here tension is more. Here tension is less. Exactly, I wanted this answer from your side. Many people may not agree. That also it is there. Many people may not agree. Many people will think, yeah, everybody want energy. Not everybody want energy. Children, try to understand. Nobody means we are human being. We want to utilize energy. Okay, but we are studying about particles. Particle don't want energy. Particle don't want. They want to reduce their tension. They want to release the energy because tension is directly proportional to energy. Are you understanding my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means that the more tension you have, the more unstable they are.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, very nice. If tension is high, will a person will be stable?
Sir.
No, sir.
No. If more tension is there, more unstable. That only I wanted to tell you. So, okay.
Sir,
So
on the topic of stability, I had a question.
tell me.
Sir, is Ca plus 2 is more stable or Ca plus?
Ca
Plus 2.
Yes, Ca2 plus, sir. I think Ca2 plus.
Ca plus 2.
Is more stable or Ca plus?
Ca plus 2.
So it is yesterday's question.
I
Okay.
think Ca2 plus.
No. This is more stable.
So, so what is Ca plus and unstable?
This is unstable.
Sir, I also had this question, sir, but that time I couldn't.
Okay, that's why I have told you several times that please join at 3 o'clock.
Yes, sir. I joined, sir.
Okay.
But you were teaching some another topic.
Another
I
topic
couldn't
means
tell, sir.
problem based on ionization energy.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So wait for your chance. Every doubt will be. It is not necessary that in one day only everything will be cleared. Everybody will get the opportunity. Okay. So
Thank you,
children,
sir.
this is stable, children. This is stable. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
you can give the reason. The reason is that suppose calcium is there, no? So what is the electronic configuration of calcium? Tell me. How many
20.
electrons? How many electrons
20.
are there?
2882.
2882. So after releasing this electron, if it become stable electronic so see what I am telling you, that we can release tension by many ways, but we want to suppose a nail, what you say, nail is entered in our leg or somewhere, so we have to remove or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then after removing only we will get relief.
Yes.
So that only we are trying to discuss, that how a particle will get tension free. How a particle will get tension free. How a particle will get tension free. Did you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Everybody participate by telling yes or no. Then only we
Yes,
can
sir.
move forward.
Yes.
And
Sir, yes,
when I
sir.
make you alert after, listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
You have to respond your own, not after telling. When I ask you, okay, when I alert you, and after that if you respond, it is of no use. You have to be natural responding nature mode. Okay. So my concept is every particle want to be tension free, and for that whatever they want to do, they will do to get
They
tension free.
gain or lose electrons to attain noble gas configuration.
That only we will discuss today. That how a particle become stable, how a particle become tension free. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Yes, tell me fast.
Among Ca plus and Ca2 plus, Ca plus means involved in reaction, sir.
Beta, I am unable to listen you. Your mic is not clear. Come to the mic and speak.
Sir, I was telling, sir, among Ca2 plus and Ca plus take part in reaction.
No.
C
plus to take part in reaction.
Okay, sir.
Right. So now see, children, a lot of discussion is there. Okay. Now I am coming to the point. The point is that every particle, because I am taking responsibility of particle, not human being. Okay, so I can tell you that.
Obhijit.
No, don't read like this.
Obhijit. Beautiful.
Children, every particle want to become tension free. Okay. Okay. So after that, see, children, I started with normal wording, then I gave you just little bit scientific wording. Now I am giving a proper language. See, for example, a particle is there, children. Okay, this particle is having this particle is having 100 joule. Okay, okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Anil uncle, eh?
Okay, so this particle is having 100 joule. Okay, this is a particle. Okay, okay, this is the particle. Like this I can make. This is an atom, suppose, and having how many joule? Suppose 100 joule. Okay, suppose 100 joule, and okay, 100 joule. See, actually his need was, he was unhappy. I asked him, why you are unhappy? Okay, so he told that I want 1 electron. Okay, I asked him, what you will do? He told that I will complete my octet, so I need 1 electron. Unless and until if I don't get electron, okay, I am very unhappy. Unhappy means he is in huge tension. How much tension he is having? Okay, 100 joule. Energy is directly proportional to tension. So he wanted 1 electron. Okay, so many cases, suppose we are feeling thirsty, so we want water bottle. Some patient is there suffering from fever, so he want medicine. So many things are there. So this atom is, because we are discussing with the particles property, so we will take consideration of particles only. So this is a particle. He was unhappy. I asked him, why you are unhappy? He told, I need 1 electron. I told, what you will do by having 1 electron? He told that, see, by nature I am having in outermost electron 7 electrons. In outermost orbit 7 electron. If somebody gives me 1 electron, my octet will be completed and then I will become very happy. So I told, okay, take this electron. So he accepted this electron, and after accepting electron, its octet was completed, children. Okay, now atom is happy. Now atom is happy, children. But he accepted 1 electron. So this electron, negative charge is extra. Now at neutral atom is converted into anion, and he became happy. I told you, when he became happy means tension free. Tension free. So I told you that tension is directly proportional to energy. So in this case, he is happy. Happy means this energy will reduce. Suppose it came to 20 joule. See the situation. Okay. So now he is happy because its energy is decreased. Okay, children. So how much relief he got in terms of energy? In terms of energy, how much relief he got? So how much tension he released? He released 80 joule, children. 80 joule. He released 80 joule. So this is a kind of tension which he released. He released. Okay. Unit of tension. I already tell you, tension is directly proportional to energy. So in chemistry, we will use the unit of energy, joule, calorie, etc. Okay. So that's why I once again I am unmuting all. because a great participation is required. And don't make noise from background. It is your individual responsibility. Okay, see,
याद है
so
शीतल चिल्लाने लगे थे
children, did you understand this concept?
शीतल पूरा चिल्ला रहे थे एक दिन
Hello?
चल अल्लाह करो लड़के
gaining electron then how it is using
You cannot maintain silence, so sorry, by intentionally I have to mute you all. Okay, children. So why? When I need something, okay, when I need something, suppose I need some I need one car. So when I receive one car, I have to pay money to the person. So if you are gaining something, then you have to release something. That is your wish. You wanted electron. I gave you electron. So you have to pay something for that electron, and that you are releasing in form of energy. It is your wish. I didn't tell you to complete your octet. It was your intention that I wanted octet state. I will be stable in octet state. Did you understand, children? It is every atom wish that I want to be in octet form. Okay, so what will happen if it loses electron? Okay, if you want electron and if you so many things are there. Okay, so listen the lecture carefully. Okay, listen the lecture carefully. Okay, so children, somebody are means feeling comfortable by losing electron, somebody are feeling happy by gaining electron. That depend upon their octet situation. Okay, so one fact we came to know that when atom become in octet state, they feel happy, and now for that they have to lose electron or gain electron. That is their luck, in which group they comes. Okay, somebody are feeling happy to lose electron, somebody are feeling to gain electron. So now we are discussing about that type of atoms which are having valence electron like 6 or 7 or like this. So they want to complete electron by gaining electrons. So now let me come to the main point. Okay, children, main point. So children, see, one atom is there. Okay, he has, okay, some 7 valence electron. Okay, and suppose he had some 500 joule. So okay, he has some sort of tension. 7 valence electron, so he want 1 electron. So this electron enter into it. Once the electron enter into it, it become anion. Okay, and after becoming anion, first he was unhappy, now he became happy because it octet was completed. Octet was completed, but one minus charge came, so he's not bothered about the minus charge. So now he became happy. And in technical word, first it was atom, now it become anion, and he is happy. And when he is happy, definitely he has given out some tension. Before it was 500 joule, now suppose it is 200 joule. So that 300 joule tension he has given out. He has given out. Then only he is tension free. Okay. So here tension is more, here tension is less. So this is the real situation, children. Okay. So this energy which he has given out, okay, this energy he has exchanged. Okay, this energy is known as electron gain energy. Electron gain energy, children. Electron gain energy. When he has released that energy after gaining this electron, so when he has gained electron, he became happy, and if he become happy means he will give out some energy, and that energy is known as electron gain energy. And I told you I will use one more standard word instead of energy, enthalpy. Enthalpy, more standard word. Okay, more standard word. Okay, and very normal word is tension, energy, enthalpy. This is low grade word, little bit standard. More standard word is enthalpy. So we can tell this energy in terms of enthalpy also, that is known as electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy, children. Okay, so I want to add some more information. So this is the atom before gaining electron, and this energy, now I want to write in short. This is known as, for enthalpy the symbol is H, children, and for energy the symbol is, you can use either E or either U, whatever you want. Okay, so we'll use enthalpy. This is the symbol, best symbol, H. So this was H1. What is H1? H1 means initial energy or initial enthalpy. Enthalpy is a nice and better term, that's why initial enthalpy. And see, this is known as H2. H2 means after gaining electron, what is the situation of the enthalpy? So H2 is known as final condition of energy, that is known as final enthalpy. Initial enthalpy and final enthalpy. So after, see, after listening the total story, we wanted to know what is the exact change in enthalpy, and this is the exact change in enthalpy. So either we can write in this way, that one atom was there, you can write the total story. One atom was there, he was having 7 valence electron, he wanted to complete it octet, so he had gained electron from somebody. Okay, after gaining electron, his octet was complete, so the atom become happy and tension free, and First he was having tension of 500 joule. Now he is only having 200 joule tension. Remaining 300 joule is given out. This is a tension which is given out. Okay. You can write the total story like this. Okay. Or this is the total story. But we don't have time. We don't have time to write total story. You don't have time. So everything we will put in a very short cut way and in a standard formation, standard format. And the standard format is like this. Okay. So now we will come to the main process. So children, the topic name is, today's topic name is, children, electron gain enthalpy. Okay. Electron gain enthalpy is the topic, children. Electron gain enthalpy. It is very useful for that atom which are having incomplete octet and which are very close to octet. Suppose they need 1 electron or 2 electron or 3 electron like this. So this is a very useful concept for such particular type of particles who are just missing 1 or 2 or 3 electron to complete their octet. So the electron gain enthalpy, see, what is this? So the enthalpy means energy, standard name for energy. The enthalpy exchanged, okay, by an isolated, okay, isolated gaseous atom. The enthalpy exchanged by an isolated gaseous atom when it gain, okay, when it gain, okay, gaseous atom, when it gain 1 electron. So this is the point which we want to discuss. Okay, the enthalpy exchanged means the tension exchanged, okay, by an isolated gaseous atom when it gain 1 electron is called electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. For example, note it down. Okay, for example, okay, 1 atom was there. So he was need of electron. So we gave 1 electron and initial its enthalpy was H1. Okay. After receiving this electron, don't get tension that who gave this electron. There are many people ready to give electron. Many atoms are there ready to give electron. Don't worry about that fact. In the world, if the people need electrons, so in the world there are some particles, we are losing electron also. This is the nature. Don't worry at all who gave them. Many people are there, many particles are there to lose the electron. They are ready to give electron. Anyhow, after gaining this electron, this particle become an ion. Okay, so this is atom and this is anion. This is anion. Okay, and now its enthalpy is H2. So we wanted to know exactly what amount of enthalpy has been exchanged. So we will put 1 comma, children. 1 comma, that this process is over. By putting comma, we mean that the process is over. The whole process is over. And now we are calculating how much exchange took place. So that we can write by like this. Okay. H2 minus H1. This was the final condition and this was the initial condition. And this is known as del H. Del H means change in final enthalpy and initial enthalpy, and that is known as del H. And you can name also Eg. Eg means electron gain. So either you can write in this way, or either you can write in this way, or either you can write in this way. Whatever you want, you can write it. Okay. For example, suppose initially enthalpy was 500 joule and finally the enthalpy was 200 joule. So tell me what is del H? What is the value of del H? So del H means final. What is the final? 200 joule minus 500 joule. What is the value of del H? Minus 300 joule. Minus when it took place while gaining electron, del H Eg. Did you understand? So this is known as this energy. This energy, this enthalpy is known as electron gain enthalpy. And minus means the atom has released the tension. Released the tension. So we have written in this language. And here we have written in different language. We have not used comma anywhere. So here we have not used comma. This is the whole process till here. Okay. Okay, children. So you have to take care, either we are writing in old method or modern method. So this is the old method. Atom has received electron and given out some energy. Okay. And here we are writing in a standard format. Process is over here. After putting comma, now we want to know what is the exchange been done. And this is this value is known as electron gain enthalpy. This value. So when you see minus charge in electron gain enthalpy, become happy that the particle has reduced its tension. Minus means reduced. So much tension has been reduced. So it is a good symptom that atom is happy after accepting electron. So this is known as electron gain enthalpy, children. Okay, children, what is the time now? Okay, still small, some time is there. How many of you have understand what is electron gain enthalpy? Raise your hand. Electron gain enthalpy. Raise your hand and let me know what is electron gain enthalpy. Okay, and why some atom gain electron? It is not for everybody. Only those atoms, those who want electron. Those who want electron. Okay, and if they are in need of electron and if we give them electron, they will feel happy. And if they feel happy, they will reduce their tension. And that tension reduction will come in form of energy. Because we are giving electron to them. Okay. So we are the surrounding. So he will give us that energy. So whatever the energy given by them is known as electron gain energy or electron gain enthalpy, children. Okay. Okay, children. Huh? We'll continue in next class. Okay, till that we'll continue next class.